Good afternoon. Next experiment number 21. Title: To study to identify unknown unorganized powder drug with the help of physical and chemical test. Identify the known unknown or unorganized powder drugs with help of the physical and chemical test. ठीक है, which carbohydrates: acacia, agar, एल्जिन, हनी, ट्रगाकांत. प्रोटीन, जेलेटिन. आपल्याला आयडेंटिफाय करायचे आहेत. ठीक आहे, या ड्रगचे आपल्याला फिजिकली केमिकल टेस्ट करायचे आहेत. केमिकल टेस्ट आणि त्यांचं आपण आहेत का नाहीत प्रेझेंट ते आपल्याला आयडेंटिफाय करायचं आहे. ठीक आहे, त्यामध्ये कोणते कोणते कार्बोहायड्रेट्समध्ये प्रेझेंट आहेत: ॲकॅसिया, आगार, एल्जिन, हनी, ट्रगाकांत. आणि प्रोटीनमध्ये जेलेटिन. ठीक आहे, नेक्स्ट आहे रिक्वायरमेंट. त्यामध्ये ॲपरेटस, कोणते ॲपरेटस लागणार आहेत आपल्याला केमिकल टेस्टसाठी: टेस्ट ट्यूब होल्डर, टेस्ट ट्यूब स्टँड, वॉच ग्लास, चायना डिश, बिकर्स, ब्रश, मॅचबॉक्स. क्रूड ड्रग कोणते लागणार आहेत: ॲकॅसिया, आगार, एल्जिन, हनी, ट्रगाकांत अँड जेलेटिन. केमिकल्स कोणते: रुथेनियम रेड सोल्युशन, N50 iodine solution and lead subacetate, dilute hydrochloric acid, filling solution A and B, solution of tannic acid, calcium chloride solution of tannic acid, alcohol, dilute sulfuric acid, diethyl ether, 1% weight by volume, solution of the resorcinol, chloroform, solution of the lead acetate, 5% aqueous, caustic, potash, वॉटर. हे आपल्याला केमिकल्स आपल्याला यासाठी आपल्याला यूज होणार आहेत. स्टेप वाईज प्रोसिजर. नेक्स्ट फर्स्ट आहे ॲकॅसिया. सिनोनिम काय: गम, ॲकॅसिया. बायोलॉजिकल सोर्सेस: ॲकॅसिया गम इज अ ड्राय एक्सुडेशन फ्रॉम इट्स स्टीम अँड ब्रांचेस ऑफ द ॲकॅसिया सेनेगल वाइल्ड अँड अदर स्पेसीज ऑफ द ॲकॅसिया लाईक ॲकॅसिया अरबिका फॅमिली Leguminaceae. फिजिकल टेस्ट. कोणते कोणते फिजिकल टेस्ट आहेत: कलर, टर्म्स आर द क्रीम ब्राउन टू रेड इन कलर while powder is light brown in color. Odorless. Taste bland and mucilaginous. Size and shape: irregular, broken tears of varying size. Solubility: it is soluble in water. Veterinary solution is viscous and acidic. It is insoluble in alcohol. Chemical test. Test number first: mount a small quantity of the powder in a ruthenium red solution and examine in the microscope. थोडीशी आपल्याला स्मॉल क्वांटिटीमध्ये पावडर घ्यायची आहे, ते रुथेनियम रेडमध्ये टाकायचे सोल्युशनमध्ये आणि एक्झामाइन द मायक्रोस्कोपमध्ये बघायचे. अँड द पार्टिकल्स डू नॉट गेट रेड कलर. पार्टिकल्स डू नॉट गेट रेड कलर. डिस्टिंक्शन फ्रॉम द आगार. ठीक आहे. सेकंड टेस्ट कोणते आहे: टू 0.1 ग्राम ऑफ द पावडर ॲडेड 1 ml ऑफ N/50 iodine. द मिक्सचर डज नॉट ॲक्वायर क्रिस्मन कलर. ठीक आहे. डिसेक्शन फ्रॉम द आगार अँड ट्रगाकांत. ठीक आहे, प्रेझेंट इन आगार. नेक्स्ट आहे टेस्ट नंबर 3: सोल्युशन ऑफ द लीड subacetate, gelatinized and aqueous solution of Indian gum. Hydrolysis. Fourth test: hydrolysis the aqueous solution of the gum acacia in the presence of the dilute hydrochloric acid. By boiling to it, add a filling solution A and B and heat again. Red precipitate is observed which confirms the presence of the reducing sugar as the product of hydrolysis. ठीक है. नेक्स्ट टाइम आगार. सिनोनिम: agar. ठीक है. बायोलॉजिकल सोर्सेस: agar is the bleached and dried product obtained from the concentrating a decoction made from various species of the algae Gelidium Aminaceae and the several other species of the red algae like Gracilaria and Petrocalidea. belongs to the class of the Rhodophyceae. Family Gelidaceae. Physical test. Color slightly yellow. Taste. Order slight. Taste faintly slightly mucilaginous taste. Solubility is swells in the cold water but only a small fraction dissolves. 1% solution may be made by the boiling. On cooling, it forms a hard jelly. Form it occurs in translucent strips, occasionally in flattened sticks, also as coarse powders. Texture agar is tough and difficult to break. Chemical test. Which chemical test present? Test number first with the ruthenium red. The powder agar gives a red color when examined under the microscope. Test number 2, when N upon 50 iodine solution is added to the powder, it produces crimson to brown color. Test number 3, agar is the inserted to ash, dilute hydrochloric acid added and observed under the microscope, and skeletons and spongy spilices of the diatoms are seen. Test number 4, to 0.2% of the solution of the agar in water, added solution of the tannic acid, no precipitate is produced. No precipitate is produced from this test. Next time, algene, sodium alginate. Synonym algene. Biological sources. Sodium alginate is a sodium salt of alginic acid. Alginic acid is a polyuranic acid composed of reduced mannurenic and glucuronic acid, which are obtained from algae growth of species. Okay, family Phaeophaceae. Next है physical test. Color white to buff colored powder. Order odorless. Taste tasteless. Solubility, it is readily soluble in water, forming viscous colloidal solution and insoluble in alcohol, ether, chloroform and strong acids. 1% of solution of gum at 200 degrees Celsius. May have a viscosity in the range of 20 to 400 centipoises. Chemical test. Which chemical test? First chemical test. The aqueous solution of the sodium alginate forms the copious precipitate with the calcium chloride solution. Test number 2, 1% solution in water forms heavy gelatinous precipitated with the dilute sulfuric acid. Test number 3, alginic acid is a polyuranic acid. It does not reduce the filling solution, but after hydrolysis with the sulfuric acid or hydrochloric acid in the product reduces the filling solution rapidly. Okay, understand? Next है honey. Synonym मधु, honey. Purified male. ठीक है. Biological sources. Honey is the saccharine fluid made by the honey bees. Apis mellifera. Lean. Order Hymenoptera. From the nectar of various flowers. Family Apidae. फिजिकल टेस्ट कोणते आहे? कलर पेल येल्लो टू येल्लोइश ब्राउन. ऑर्डर कॅरेक्टरिस्टिक प्लीजंट. टेस्ट स्वीट अँड फेंटी ॲक्राइड. solubility, it is soluble in water and insoluble in alcohol. Chemical test. Prepare a solution of a honey by dissolving 1 part of the drug in 5 parts of the water. First chemical test. To 1 ml of the above solution of the honey, added 1 ml of filling solution. 1 ml added the filling solution and warm on a water bath. The color of the filling solution gets reduces. ठीक है. On further heating brick, red precipitate is formed. Due to the reducing sugar present in the drug. ठीक है. Test number 2. To 5 ml of the above solution of honey, added 2.5 ml of diethyl ether. Shake the solution, separate the ether layer and transfer it to an evaporating china dish. Evaporate ether completely and to the reduce and 1 drop of 1% of weight by volume solution of the resonier in the concentrated hydrochloric acid. Pure honey should not give cherry red color, but if honey is the adulterated with the artificial invert sugar, red color will be developed because the artificial invert sugar contains furfural, which gives the red color with the resorcinol hydrochloric acid. Okay, next है ट्रेगाकांथ. Synonym gum tragacanth and tragacantha. Biological sources. Tragacanth gum is the dried gummy exudation from the stem Astragalus gumifera lab family Leguminosae. Indian tragacanth is obtained from Stracula uranus roxburgh family Stericulaceae. Physical test. All the flake are white or palish white. Odor odorless. Taste tasteless. Size flakes are 25 into 12 into 2 mm. Shape tragacanth occurs in the form of thin, flattened fibron like flakes more or less than curve. Solubility. It is a partly soluble in water in which it swells to homogeneous adhesive gelatinous mass. It is insoluble in alcohol. Chemical test is first. To 0.5% of the weight by volume solution of the gum, added 20% of weight by volume solution of a lead acetate. A voluminous flocculated precipitate is obtained from distillation from the acacia. Test number 2. Mount a small quantity of powder in ruthenium red and examine. Microscopically, particles do not acquire pink color. Distinction from Indian tragacanth. Test number 3. To 0.1 gram of powder added in upon 50 iodine. This mixture acquires an oval green color. Distinction from the acacia and agar. Test number 4. Warm the powder with the 5% of aqueous caustic potash. Canary yellow color in produces. Okay, this is the chemical test for perform you the practical. Next time gelatin. Biological sources. Gelatin is a protein derivative obtained by the evaporating an aqueous extract made from the skins, tendons and bones derived from the various domestic animals such as the ox, box, Araceslin, the sheep's Ovius araceslin family Bovidae. Physical test. Color. It is a colorless or pale yellow. Odor characteristics. Taste slight and broth like. Size. It is obtained in the form of the shreds, sheets, flakes and coarse or fine powder. Solubility. It is a partially insoluble in cold water but swells and softens when immersed. Chemical test. Test number first. To a aqueous solution of a gelatin, add a drop of picric acid, tannic acid solution. A precipitated is produced. The precipitated is formed due to the formation of a protein picrate or protein tannate. Test number 2. Heat gelatin with the soda lime in a test tube. Fumes of ammonia evolves indicating the presence of the protein. This test is negative with agar. Okay. Test number 3. To an aqueous solution of the gelatin, added a few drops of mercuric nitrate solution. A white precipitate is formed. Heat the test tube. The precipitate becomes brick red in color. Test number 4. When the gelatin is treated with the formaldehyde or potassium dichromate and the exposed to light, it becomes insoluble. Insoluble. Okay. This is the chemical test and this is the observation table. The first is column is unorganized powder drug. Next is physical test, which test and observation, which test is present in color, order, taste, solubility. An observation table will fill up the which color present is acacia, order, taste, and solubility. Soluble in water and not insoluble in this. Fill up the chart, observation chart table. Okay. Next column is chemical test. First is test number first, 2, 3, 4, and observation and inferences to which observation present in this chemical test to fill up and inferences. Okay. All unorganized powder drugs are fill up the observation table. Okay, properly. Agar, Alligator, honey, Tragacan, gelatin. Fill up the properly. And last is conclusion. With the help of the physician, physical and chemical test is confirmed that given unknown unorganized powder drug, okay, which studied, which is the conclusion, fill up the properly. Okay. Next experiment, experiment number 22. Title: to identify the unknown unorganized powder drug with the help of the physical and chemical test. Which physical and chemical test for unorganized powder drug? First is tannins, black and pale catecho drugs present, and mineral kaolin. Okay. Next requirement. Which requirements used? Firstly is apparatus. Which apparatus used? Test tubes, test tube holder, test tube stand, watch glass, china dish, beakers, brush, matchbox. Which crude drugs used? Black and pale catechu, yellow and kaolin. Next, which chemicals used for this experiment? Chemical: ferric chloride solution, vanillin, hydrochloric acid, lime water, alcohol, sodium hydroxide solution, light petroleum chloroform, concentrated sulfuric acid, cobalt, nitrate, anhydrous sodium carbonate, and water. Okay, processes, step by processes. First is black catechu. Synonym: कत्था. ठीक आहे, आपण त्याला खैर पण म्हणतो, कत्था. ठीक आहे. बायोलॉजिकल सोर्सेस, त्याला आपण कात म्हणतो. लक्षात येते. बायोलॉजिकल सोर्सेस, इट इज ड्राईड aqueous extract prepared from the heartwood of the Acacia catechu family Leguminosae. Physical test: color light brown to black, odor non, taste very astringent, size about 2.5 to 5 cm, shape cube or irregular fragments of the broken cube or brick shaped pieces. Chemical test: matchstick and vanillin hydrochloric acid tests are positive, while Gambier fluorescein test is negative in black catechu. Test number 2. With the ferric chloride solution, it gives the bluish black color. Test number 3. Black catechu gives the pink or red color with the vanillin and hydrochloric acid. Test number 4. Lime water gives brown color with the aqueous solution of a black catechu. Okay. Next type, pale catechu. Synonym: Gambier catechu. Biological sources: Gambier or pale catechu is the dried aqueous extract prepared from the leaves and young twigs of the Uncaria Gambier family Rubiaceae. Physical test: color reddish brown and inner surface is porous and it is color is pale brown to buff. Odor non-odor. Taste astringent but somewhat bitter and later sweet. Shape: pale catechu occurs in cubes, each sides of the which is about 2.5 cm. Sometimes cubes are broken or attached to one another. Chemical test. Which chemical test present? Test number first, Gambier fluorescence test. Boil a little powder drug with the alcohol, filter and add the sodium hydroxide solution to the filtrate stir and few ml of the light petroleum. Petroleum layer shows the green fluorescence. Petroleum layer shows the green fluorescence, and black tissue does not show this test. Okay. Test number 2. Heat about the 0.5 gram of the powder drug with 5 ml chloroform in dish and evaporate, filtrate on water bath. A greenish yellow residue is left due to the presence of the chlorophyll in the drug. In black tissue, this test is negative because there is no chlorophyll present in it. Okay. Test number 3. Matchstick test. Dip the wooden matchstick in the solution of the drug and dry it over the flame. Moisten the stick with the hydrochloric acid and warm purple color appears on the matchstick due to the conversion of the tissue into fluoroglycinol. This test is also positive in the black tissue. Next at test number 4. Vanillin hydrochloric acid test. Make solution containing vanillin 1 ml, alcohol 10 ml and dilute hydrochloric acid 10 ml. This test also gives a pink or red color due to the formation of the fluoroglycinol. This test is also positive in a black tissue. ठीक है. नेक्स्ट है केओलिन. सिनोनिम China clay. Biological sources. Kaolin is a purified native hydrated aluminum silicate free from the gritty particles. It is obtained by the powdering the native kaolin, illustrating and correcting the fraction which complies with the requirements of the particle size. Physical test. Color normally it is a white but often gets tinged to the gray, yellow or brown due to impurities. Order it is almost odorless. Size 10 meter to 690 meter in size. Solubility it is insoluble in water and mineral acids. It is not affected by the dilute hydrochloric acid but decomposed by the concentrated sulfuric acid. After the prolonged boiling it is absorbs small amount of water. Okay. Next है chemical test. First है chemical test. Hit the kaolin on the charcoal block with the cobalt nitrate. It is result in a blue mass due to alumina. Test number 2. Fuse the 1 gram of the kaolin with the 2 gram anhydrous sodium carbonate. Warm with the water and filter. Acidity. Acidify the filtrate with the hydrochloric acid, dilute and warm. ठीक है. Residue of the silica is obtained. The solution after neutralization gives the reaction characteristics to the aluminum. Okay, this is the chemical test. And this next is observation table. This is the columns. For first column is unorganized powder drug. The first is black tissue. Next column is present in physical test for test column is color, order, taste, solubility. Which color of the black tissue, order, taste, solubility for the unorganized powder drugs is observation table. Fill up. Next column is chemical test. First is test number 1 2 3 4 and observation table. Fill up the observation for the color, order and taste and inferences for the chemical test. The fill up the properly. This same unorganized crude drugs for the powder, pale tissue, kaolin. Okay. Next final step कोणती आहे? Conclusion. With the help of the physical and chemical test, it is confirmed that gives the unknown organized crude drug are fill up the U. ठीक है. This is the experiment number. Okay. It is over. Thank you.